Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will explore how artificial intelligence is transforming various industries, from education and transportation to entertainment and farming. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you'll get an idea how to live in AI world. Get ready for a glimpse into the future. AI is revolutionizing industries like never before. Let's start with education. Imagine a world where students receive personalized teaching where they will be analyzed based on individual strengths and weaknesses. With AI-powered education systems, this becomes a reality. We all grew up in a classroom of 50 to 60 students. But the current generation students will be wearing VR or AR glasses and will get teaching from AI robots separately. Automated grading processes can handle assignments, quizzes, and exams, allowing teachers to focus more on individualized instruction. This will reduce the work of teachers. However, it's important to note that teachers will still play a vital role in guiding and mentoring students. Now, let's talk about the impact of AI on driving jobs. As self-driving technology advances, certain driving jobs, such as long-haul trucking and delivery services, may be replaced by autonomous vehicles. AI-powered systems can operate more efficiently, reducing the accidents caused by human error. With the growth of e-commerce, delivery services have become increasingly important. AI-powered autonomous vehicles or drones could potentially replace human delivery drivers. However, complicated or unpredictable circumstances will probably still call for human inspection and intervention. Now, let's talk about entertainment industry. The entertainment industry is not exempt from AI's influence. AI can now generate music, artwork, and even scripts. Content creation is becoming more easier as AI can generate large amount of content in a short span of time. In post-production, AI can automate tasks like video editing and special effects, saving time and effort for professionals. However, this will result in fewer jobs in the entertainment sector. Moving on to digital farming, AI is revolutionizing agriculture. AI will analyze weather, soil, and market data, tell farmers when to plant and when not to. Farmers will benefit from this as it will increase their profits. On the other hand, autonomous vehicles and robots can take over manual labor works by performing tasks like seeding, harvesting and maintenance. Finally, let's talk about AI in the banking industry. Virtual assistants and chatbots driven by AI will offer customized customer care. They will answer questions and provide financial advice. So the need for staff sitting in the bank will decline. Additionally, blockchain technology is transforming financial transactions, reducing the need for traditional banking processes. The future is indeed exciting, but it's important to remember that AI is a tool to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of industries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos exploring the world around us. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the power of AI. See you soon.